Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Lab. I'm Joe, and I'm very happy you are here today. How are you doing today? In this episode, we are going to enjoy a slow, relaxing English story about two co-workers who take a break at a cozy cafe after a long day at work. This episode is perfect for English learners who want to improve listening skills, speaking confidence, pronunciation, daily conversation, vocabulary, and natural English expressions. Don't worry, I will speak slowly, clearly, and naturally so you can easily follow the conversation. So find a comfortable place, relax, and enjoy today's English listening practice. Before we begin, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer during the story. Here is today's question. What kind of coffee does David like to drink? Listen carefully for the answer, and at the end of the episode, write your answer in the comment section in English. Even a simple English sentence can help improve your writing and speaking skills. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Today was a very long day at the office. David sat at his desk and stretched his arms. "Oh, wow, I'm so tired today," he said quietly. His coworker Aaron looked at him and smiled. "You look exhausted, David. Are you okay?" David nodded slowly. "Yeah, I'm okay. But honestly, I really need a break." Aaron laughed softly. "Me too. I've been working all day. My brain feels tired." David leaned back in his chair. "This day feels so long." Aaron suddenly smiled. "Hey, do you want to get a drink?" "A drink?" David asked. "Yeah, maybe coffee?" David's eyes lit up immediately. "Oh yes, coffee sounds perfect right now." Aaron laughed. "I knew you would say that." David smiled. "What about you? What do you want?" "Coffee too?" Aaron replied. "I definitely need coffee today." "Same here," David said. "Coffee always gives me energy." Aaron stood up from his chair. "Let's go to that new cafe near the office." David looked surprised. "There's a cafe near our office?" "Yeah," Aaron said. "It opened last month. I've been there a few times already." "Oh, really? I had no idea." "You'll like it," Aaron said. "It's cozy, quiet, and the coffee is really good." "That sounds amazing," David replied. Aaron picked up his jacket. "All right, give me 1 minute. Let me finish this email first." "Sure," David said. "Take your time." A few minutes later, Aaron closed his laptop. "Done. Ready?" David smiled. "Absolutely. Let's go get some coffee." A few minutes later, they arrived at the cafe. David looked around in surprise. "Wow, this place looks really nice." The cafe had warm lights, wooden tables, soft music, and the wonderful smell of fresh coffee in the air. Aaron smiled proudly. "Told you." David breathed deeply. It smells incredible in here." "I know," Aaron said. "I love the smell of fresh coffee." The cafe was busy but peaceful. People were quietly talking, working on laptops, or enjoying drinks by the window. Soft music played in the background. "This place feels so relaxing," David said. "Exactly," Aaron replied. "Perfect for a break." They found a table near the window and sat down. "These chairs are comfortable," David said. "And everything is very clean," Aaron added. David picked up the menu. "Okay, let's see what they have." Aaron leaned closer. "There are so many choices here." David read the menu slowly. Coffee, tea, cappuccino, latte, espresso. Aaron pointed at the menu. "They also have iced drinks." David looked outside the window. "It's a little warm today. Maybe an iced drink would be nice." Aaron nodded. "True." David looked thoughtful. What's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino again?" Aaron explained gently. A latte has more milk. A cappuccino has more foam. Oh, okay, David said. I think I understand now. Aaron smiled. So, what do you want? David thought carefully. I think I'll get a hot coffee. Just regular coffee? Aaron asked. Yes, David replied. I like black coffee. Aaron looked surprised. Really? No milk? No sugar? David laughed. Nope, just black coffee. I like strong coffee. Aaron shook his head dramatically. That's too strong for me. David smiled. Everyone likes coffee differently. That's true, Aaron replied. I like mine sweet and creamy. Aaron looked back at the menu. I think I'll get an iced latte with a little sugar. That sounds good too, David said. Then Aaron touched his stomach. And honestly, I'm getting hungry. David laughed. Me too. They started looking at the food menu. Oh wow, Aaron said. They have sandwiches, muffins, cookies, and cake. David pointed at a picture. That cake looks amazing. It really does, Aaron agreed. I think I want the cake, David said. Aaron nodded. Good choice. I'll get a sandwich. I need something bigger. A few moments later, Aaron stood up. I'll go order for us. Are you sure? David asked. Of course. Aaron walked to the counter. The barista smiled warmly. Hello, what can I get for you today? Aaron smiled back politely. Hi, can I please get one medium iced latte with a little sugar? Of course, the barista replied. Anything else? Yes, one medium black coffee. No milk or sugar? That's right. And food? One sandwich and one piece of cake, please. Perfect, the barista said. That will be $12.50. Aaron paid for the order and returned to the table. A few more minutes, he said. David smiled happily. I'm so ready for this coffee. Soon the drinks and food arrived. Finally, Aaron said, I'm starving. David carefully picked up his coffee cup. Careful, Aaron warned. It's probably very hot. David blew gently on the coffee and took a small sip. His eyes widened slightly. Wow. Aaron smiled. Good. It's excellent, David said. Strong and fresh. Exactly how I like it. Aaron laughed. You really do love strong coffee. Yes, David replied. Black coffee is my favorite. Aaron picked up his iced latte and took a sip. Oh, wow, this is perfect. How is it? David asked. It's cold, smooth, and slightly sweet. Really refreshing. David smiled. That sounds nice, actually. Then David tried the cake. Oh, this cake is delicious. Aaron laughed. You sound emotional. It's seriously good, David replied. Soft, sweet, and fresh. Aaron picked up his sandwich and took a bite. This sandwich is amazing too. The bread looks fresh, David said. It is, Aaron replied. Everything tastes really fresh here. They exchanged bites of food and continued talking happily. After some time, Aaron leaned back in his chair and smiled. I feel so much better now. Me too, David said. This break was exactly what I needed. Aaron looked around the cafe again. I really like this place. Same here, David agreed. The drinks are great, the food is delicious, and the atmosphere is relaxing. And the staff are really friendly too, Aaron added. David nodded. We should definitely come back next week. Aaron smiled immediately. Yes, next time I want to try a cappuccino. The one with more foam? David asked. Exactly. David laughed. And maybe I'll try an espresso next time. Aaron looked impressed. Espresso? That's even stronger than black coffee. David grinned proudly. Perfect. Both of them laughed. After a while, Aaron checked the time. Oh no, we should probably go back to the office. David sighed dramatically. I don't want to leave. Me neither, Aaron laughed. But we still have work to do. David stood up slowly. All right, but next week we come back here again. Definitely, Aaron replied. And together they walked back to the office feeling refreshed, relaxed, and much happier than before. So, how was today's story? I hope this episode helped you practice your English listening and learn new daily conversation expressions. And now, let me ask today's question one more time. What kind of coffee does David like to drink? Did you find the answer? If you did, write your answer in the comments section in English. Even one simple sentence is excellent practice. Here on Everyday English Lab, we practice slow and easy English to help you build confidence in listening and speaking naturally. If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another English learner. Thank you so much for listening today. I'm Joe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care, keep practicing, and have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.